Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable search suggestions in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So if you don't want to search suggestions appearing when you're typing into the address bar, and then I'll show you a quick modification settings. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang yung three line icon na to. Ito yung open applications menu, so click mo lang yan. And then next step, select mo lang dito yung settings. And then dito sa general, and then next ay select mo lang dito yung search. Dito siya, so click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung search suggestions. Okay, so bago tayo mag-proceed, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung search suggestions. So open tayo ng another tab. And then for example, dito sa address bar ay kailangan lang natin mag-type o search natin ng Wikipedia. And then makikita mo kaagad dito mga kaibigan yung search suggestion po niya. So one word lang yung tinype natin at nandito lahat yung search suggestions. Kung paano ba natin ito enable or disable. So back tayo dito sa settings. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck itong show search suggestions. So uncheck mo lang yan. And then next step ay dito naman sa kanyang address bar ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong browsing history, bookmarks, open tabs, shortcuts, and then yung search engines. Okay? So once na uncheck na natin ito, and then open tayo ng another tab. And then for example, search ulit tayo Wikipedia. Ayan. So makita mo dito na nawala na yung suggestion dito mga kaibigan. Okay? So ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable search suggestions in Mozilla Firefox browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.